Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change rotors on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged. Loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you're working on, but do not remove them yet. Then, safely lift the vehicle using a jack and place jack stands under the frame for support. Now you can fully remove the lug nuts and the wheel. With the wheel off, you'll see the brake caliper. Locate the two bolts holding the caliper to the caliper bracket. Remove these bolts and carefully slide the caliper off the rotor. Do not let the caliper hang by the brake line. Use a bungee cord or wire to support it. Next, remove the two bolts holding the caliper bracket to the steering knuckle. Finally, pull the old rotor straight off the wheel hub. Before installing the new rotor, clean the wheel hub surface thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure a flat mounting surface. Place the new rotor onto the wheel studs, making sure it sits flush against the hub. Reinstall the caliper bracket, tightening its two bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. This ensures everything is secure and ready for the caliper. Carefully slide the caliper back over the new rotor and reinstall the guide pin bolts, tightening them to specification. Put the wheel back on, hand tighten the lug nuts, and then lower your Jeep. Fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. Take a short, slow test drive to ensure proper braking function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.